Homes Decor Designs, your ultimate destination for outdoor inspiration and landscape mastery. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Backyard rock landscaping, often referred to as hardscaping or rockscaping, is the intentional use of stones, boulders, pebbles, and gravel to create structure and visual interest in your outdoor space. Rather than relying solely on grass and soft plants, this design style treats rocks as the primary architectural elements. It can range from minimalist Zen gardens with raked sand and smooth river rocks to rugged naturalistic terrains featuring massive limestone boulders and rocky outcroppings. Essentially, it is about using the Earth's most durable materials to define the character of your home's exterior. The benefits of incorporating rock into your backyard are both practical and aesthetic. Primarily, rock landscaping is incredibly low maintenance. Unlike traditional lawns, stones do not require mowing, watering, or fertilizing, which significantly reduces your weekend chores and utility bills. Rocks also provide excellent drainage and soil erosion control, making them ideal for sloped yards or areas prone to heavy rain. Furthermore, stones are virtually indestructible and weather-resistant, meaning your landscape will look just as beautiful in the dead of winter as it does in the height of summer. They offer a permanent structure that grounds your garden, providing a consistent backdrop that highlights your favorite plants and flowers. Decorating a rock landscape effectively requires a balance between the hard elements of stone and the soft elements of nature. To make your backyard look professionally designed, aim for a variety of textures and sizes. For example, pair large, dramatic anchor boulders with smaller river stones or crushed gravel to create a sense of depth and realism. Incorporate lighting to highlight the unique silhouettes of your rocks at night, casting soft shadows that add a layer of mystery and elegance. Don't forget to weave in greenery. Nestling drought-tolerant plants or vibrant perennials between the crevices of stones helps to soften the hard edges and makes the arrangement feel like it occurred naturally over time. Color coordination is also key. Matching the tones of your rocks to the exterior of your home creates a seamless, high-end look. To achieve the best results, you need a curated selection of materials and accessories. Start with high-quality landscape fabric to prevent weeds from poking through your stone beds, ensuring a clean look for years. For the stones themselves, river rocks, Mexican beach pebbles, and lava rocks are popular choices for ground cover due to their varied colors and smooth finishes. Flagstones or slate pieces are essential for creating durable and charming walkways. Beyond the stones, consider functional items like solar-powered spotlights to accentuate your rock features or integrated water elements, such as a rock-lined pond or a stone fountain, which add the soothing sound of moving water. Finally, use weather-resistant mulch or moss to fill gaps and add a touch of organic color to your stone-heavy designs. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here these the compilation of the top 10 best backyard rock landscaping ideas to inspire you for your next project. (1) Natural stone stairway and retaining wall. This design features a rugged, multi-tiered stone stairway carved directly into a sloped lawn. The use of large, flat-topped boulders creates a functional path while doubling as a retaining wall that holds back the rich, reddish-brown mulch beds. It's a perfect example of how to blend heavy stone structures with lush green turf and manicured shrubs for a balanced, earthy look. 2. The meadow-style rock garden. A beautiful display of biodiversity, this idea uses smooth, rounded granite boulders scattered throughout a dense planting of wildflowers and perennials. The rocks act as natural anchors for the purple salvia and yellow yarrow, while a small gravel path winds through the center. This style is ideal for those who want a garden that feels wild yet intentional and structural. 3. Modern gabion wall and agave accents. For a contemporary vibe, this design utilizes gabion walls. wire cages filled with uniform white stones, to create clean geometric boundaries. The stark texture of the stone-filled walls provides a stunning contrast to the architectural spikes of agave plants and the delicate purple blooms of tall flowers. It's a sophisticated, low-water solution for modern homes. 4. The mixed-texture alpine bed. This idea focuses on painting with plants and stones. Large, dark gray boulders are surrounded by a variety of ground covers in shades of burgundy, lime green, and silver blue. By placing different plant textures right up against the cool surface of the rocks, you create a vibrant living carpet effect that is visually captivating and requires very little water. 5. Elegant fire pit with stone tiering. This design transforms a backyard slope into a luxury destination. A modern rectangular stone fire pit sits on a checkered patio of turf and pavers, backed by a massive retaining wall made of stacked natural boulders. The tiered rock wall provides a sense of security and grandeur, making the seating area feel like a private, sunken retreat. 6. Giant boulder seating area. Why buy furniture when nature provides? This rustic setup uses massive, flat-topped boulders as natural benches around a central stone fire pit. The ground is covered in fine gray gravel, which is both fire-safe and easy to maintain. This is an excellent way to create a primal, cozy gathering spot that blends perfectly into a wooded or rural backyard. 7. Contemporary stone facade and water feature. This idea demonstrates how to integrate stone from the home's architecture into the landscape. A vertical rock water fountain serves as a focal point near the patio, echoing the stacked stone pillars of the house. The use of dark river rocks and large gray pavers creates a sleek, high-end aesthetic that bridges the gap between indoor and outdoor living. 8. Maximalist garden with rock borders. For the garden lover, this design uses low stone walls to create defined planting zones. A riot of colors, from deep purple maples to pink coneflowers, is contained by natural rock borders that follow the curve of the land. This approach adds structure to a very busy garden, ensuring the variety of plants looks organized rather than cluttered. 9. Illuminated rock walkway. This design proves that rock landscaping is just as much about the night as it is the day. Strategically placed path lights are tucked behind large boulders to wash the stone surfaces in warm light, guiding guests along a flagstone path. The combination of glowing rocks, dark green conifers, and bright yellow flowers creates a magical, high-contrast evening environment. 10. Lakeside pergola and rock terracing. Perfect for waterfront properties, this design uses heavy stone terracing to lead the eye from a timber pergola down to the water's edge. Massive boulders are used to create landings for ornamental grasses and flowering shrubs, providing a sturdy, natural-looking transition between the elevated porch and the soft shoreline. Whether you are dealing with a difficult slope or simply want to spend less time with a lawnmower and more time enjoying your view, backyard rock landscaping offers a timeless and durable solution. These designs prove that stone doesn't have to be cold or boring. When paired with the right plants and lighting, it becomes the heartbeat of a stunning outdoor sanctuary. We hope these 10 ideas have sparked your imagination and given you the confidence to start your own stone-based transformation. If you enjoyed this tour of backyard rock landscaping, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Home's Decor Designs for more outdoor inspiration. Which of these 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your landscaping projects. For even more tips and tricks on exterior design, click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.